Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can resolve this error. As you are seeing on my screen that your connection is not private. Right now I have a snippet of this error, but let me show you. Uh, so I have a site named as outline.in, and here SSL is not installed on this site, so it is showing me a blank screen, and here it is, you can see that it is showing that your connection is not secured, so we are not able to access the site and the content of the site. Okay, so how we can resolve this error? So basically what actual reason behind this is that your SSL is not installed properly. Now let me go to my hosting. Okay, so here I have hosted my site. So first of all you have to go on your dashboard, then go to website, and then go to SSL security option in the side panel, and then go to SSL. Okay, now you have to click on install SSL. Okay, okay, so now right now our SSL is being installed on our site. After some time the status will be active. Okay, in case if you see there is something error like it is failed or something else, then you just need to repeat this process, then your SSL will be installed. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see that SSL is installed in our site properly and it is showing a status of active. Now let me open the site here. As you can see, it is opened with the HTTPS in starting and showing a log symbol also, which means that the connection is secure. Okay, now let's go back here and check is it working or not. Now let me refresh my panel. Okay, now you can see that not secure text has gone, and now we can see that our connection is secure and that blank screen has gone. Okay, so in a similar way this error will also be resolved. So if you are facing this error, then make sure to check your SSL. See here you can see that this is SSL but still showing this error because maybe there is something issue with the SSL, but if you just reinstall this SSL certificate, then this issue will be resolved. Just go and try once. If you are not able to resolve the issue, then you can comment down. I will surely try to help you. Okay, so thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.